QuoteIt4Me is a powerful online quoting tool designed for use by individuals and small teams. With QuoteIt4Me, you can very quickly create secure, consistent, professional quotes for complex products and components. In this tutorial, we'll run through the process of updating your QuoteIt4Me user account details, step by step. When you roll over the silhouette icon in the upper right corner of the QuoteIt4Me page, you'll see your name and email address. Click this icon to visit the Manage Profiles area. The User Details panel lets you add and update the contact information that will appear on your quote cover pages. Click Settings to adjust your quote expiration period. This is where you update the statement that appears on your quotation. Quotes are valid for 30 days. You can also adjust how many email notifications you want from QuoteIt4Me here. Add your company logo here to have it included on your quote cover pages. Drag and drop a JPEG, PNG, or GIF logo file from your PC into the box, and it'll automatically be resized. The Billing tab lets you manage your QuoteIt4Me payment methods. Click the red Update Payment Method button to update your credit card information. If you're part of a small team of people that would like to share catalog items and reports, you may find the Groups function useful. Click the Add New Group button to add a group to your account. In the Group Name box, type a name for your group that will differentiate it from any other groups you may join or add in the future. Some example group names are Midwest Sales Team or Acme Reps. As the owner of the QuoteIt4Me account, you're automatically added to all groups that you create. Click the Add Member button to add a second member to your group. Please note that only the creator of a group can add new members. When you add members to your group, they'll be able to see your shared catalog items in their catalog list. If a new member email address matches a current QuoteIt4Me user, they'll get a pop-up message in the QuoteIt4Me and a confirmation email letting them know they have been invited to join your group. As soon as your colleague confirms that they wish to accept your invitation to join the group, you'll see their name in your groups list, and your selected catalog items will appear in their catalog list, ready for quoting. If your colleague's email address is not found by QuoteIt4Me, they'll receive an invitation to start a free QuoteIt4Me trial. Click the Feedback Support button to send us comments or to report any errors directly to our programming team. Click the Messages icon and View All Activity to see messages and notes for you, plus general QuoteIt4Me news, tips and tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching.